Hello. Welcome to the M7. Here we bring the best brands for you after research, so that you can make a smart purchasing decision. Today we presents the 5 best mechanic tool sets to buy in 2021. Before diving into today's product list, don't forget to hit the subscription button to stay updated. If you want to check further, links have been added in the description box. Let's get started. On top of our list, in first place we have the DEWALT Mechanics Tools Kit. The DEWALT Mechanic Tool Set and Socket Kit includes 204 pieces with a greater focus on sockets and ratchets than many other kits. This makes it a great choice for anyone looking to quickly establish a complete mechanic tool set, or people who work on parts or projects with a large amount of nuts and bolts of different sizes. The sockets in the tool set include virtually any common size you may need, and are clearly marked so you can easily find what you need when you need it. Features: durable molded case for storage and tool protection. Knurled ring for added control while handling sockets. Hard stamped markings on sockets and wrenches for easier identification of the mechanic's tools. Moving to the next one of the list. In the second position we have the HiSpec Auto Mechanics Tool Kit. You won't get professional quality, but if you just want a starter mechanic toolkit for occasional repairs on your car, motorcycle, lawnmower, or for around the house, use a low-cost tool set is a perfect way to get the basics at a price that won't break your budget. The HiSpec 67-piece auto mechanic tool set focuses on all the commonly used tools needed for auto repair, including a large selection of sockets, ratchet handle, screwdrivers, pliers, voltage tester, wrench, hex keys, and earthing lead. It's perfect to keep in your car for emergencies while on the road, or in the garage for when you are working on your car at your leisure. If you have a large collection of tools already, this set is also a good option for a smaller, more mobile tool set. Instead of reaching for tools from all corners of your workspace, this one keeps everything in a sturdy case for you to keep at your side as you work. Features: socket accessories, adjustable thermostat with high and low setting, screwdrivers and hex keys. Coming up next, in third place we have the Craftsman Mechanics Tool Set. When quantity is important, the more tools a set includes, the better, but that doesn't mean you should skimp on quality. Craftsman's tool set offers one of the most complete and extensive kits available on the market, and it's excellent quality to boot. This is the kind of tool set you should buy if you want to cover all your bases, or be prepared for random, unexpected projects that can come up around your home or in your car. There are plenty of other tools as well, including ratchets, extension bars, handles, and adapters, and the entire kit packs neatly into an included 4-tier organizer box with a handle for easy transport. Features: extremely comprehensive. 3-drawer case, a magnetic handle for easy nut or bit installation. Now moving to the number 4. Deco Pro Mechanic Tool Set. The Deco Pro Mechanic Tool Set is an amazing purchase for new DIYers. The price is low enough that purchasing this large 168-piece set isn't a huge investment, and a month-long warranty guarantees the tools for the first 30 days. The set weighs only 13 pounds, making it a great mobile case to carry around the house. The set includes the most essential DIY tools, including a hammer, utility knife, tape measure, screwdrivers, wrenches, sockets, and even a small 10-inch hacksaw. While it doesn't have the wide variety of sockets and bits that a larger specialty tool set may have, it has the supplies needed for the most common DIY tasks, including thermostat replacement and pre-fabricated furniture assembly. Features: high quality and standards, complete varieties, design of great originality. In the 5th position we have the WorkPro Mechanics Tool Set. This tool set has several things that stand out from the minute you open it. It is a 3-drawer tool set with 408 tools that can be used for daily use, including screwdrivers, alien keys, wrenches, sockets, bits, tape measure, knife, hammer, wire stripper, etc. The tools have been forged from chrome vanadium, which presents an undeniable toughness and durability. They also have a full polish chrome finish for anti-corrosion protection. The box is made from durable aluminum with several compartments for order. This is the ideal toolbox for assembly, maintenance and repair projects at home or workshop. Features: high-quality material, professional toolbox, lifetime guarantee. Thanks for being with M7 throughout this video. We hope that you have already made up your mind for the right best mechanic tool sets. Do comment if you have any query, and don't forget to share it with a friend. See you guys in the next video.